Mother.
You mean you're going to leave me here again all alone?
Not for too long, Mom. She's back next week.
Sometimes I'm going to miss you. Please, I beg you. Do not hesitate to come back. You know it's boring here alone.
I'll be back shortly. But till then, Ogudinere will keep you company.
That one? He's hardly home. He'll just leave me here and go to his business.
Well, he promised to be with you this time.
And he promised to cook me otoropo soup.
Mother, I will when I come back.
When are you going to come back?
Soon. Very soon.
I'm going to miss you.
I know.
I'll miss you too.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.